अगर आप ये एक बात समझ गए तो आपको सक्सेसफुल होने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. If you understand just this, you will become unstoppable. Hi there, this is Gaurav Gupta, your life and business success strategist. We all want to be successful, and success has some principles. This video is very important for you, so do watch it till the end, because in this video, I'll be sharing with you one of the most important keys to success. Let me ask you a question. What is common amongst these people? Shah Rukh Khan, Dhirubhai Ambani, Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi, Bear Grylls, Oprah Winfrey, J.K. Rowling, Shamak Dawar, Gordon Ramsay. I'm sure your answer would be Gaurav. These are very, very successful, powerful people. They're celebrities and we all want to be like them. The good news, my friends, is that you can be as successful as them if you follow the principles which they have used in their lives. NLP or Neuro-Linguistic Programming talks about modeling. Modeling is the fastest way to super success. What modeling says is that there are people who have achieved the results which you want to achieve in your life. All you need to do is copy what they did and implement that in your life, and you too can be successful at a very fast pace. You don't have to reinvent the wheel again. So let's see what makes these people successful. What are things which are common amongst these people? The number one thing which is common amongst all these people is that they are passionate. Yes, they're absolutely passionate about what they are doing. The key to your success is to find your passion. If you do not find your passion, or if you're doing something which is not based on the areas of your passion, you're bound to be average, mediocre, or unsuccessful. How do you find your passion? In my seminars, we do a lot of activities to uncover people's passion. But for this video, I'll share with you the simplest and the most effective technique. It's called reflection. All you need to do is sit in a quiet place and reflect. What is it that you will do even if you do not get paid for it? That area which you can do even free, that area of work is your passion. And each and every individual which I talk to you about, they are passionate about one area in their lives and they've been successful in that area. The second thing which is common amongst these people is that they understand and are committed to being original, because they understand you have to be original because everybody else is already taken. They've created specific niche for themselves, which is based on the area of their passion and which is they themselves in their originality. So if you want to be successful, you have to find what is it that makes you special and you have to be yourself. For example, Shamak Dawar, when he started his career, he wanted to be a professional dancer. At that time, in people's mind, there was no scope of somebody dancing and teaching people dance and becoming successful. But Shamak is a celebrity today. Similarly, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, when he started his career, people were not really passionate about becoming a chef. He became a celebrity chef. So you have to be original, you have to be yourself. The third thing which is common amongst these people, and this is the most important thing for you to understand, this is your biggest takeaway from this video, it is that in order to be successful in life, you need just one skill. Yes, my friends, just one skill is enough to take you on top of any game. So Amitabh Bachchan, his skill is just acting. Shah Rukh Khan, his best skill is just acting. Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, their best skill is cricket. J.K. Rowling, her best skill is writing. Dhirubhai Ambani, Bill Gates, their best skill is understanding businesses and creating business models. Everybody who's on top of their game today is there because they understood this profound principle that all you need is just one skill. You don't have to be a jack of all trades. You don't have to learn multiple things. It's good to keep investing in your learning, but you don't have to be master at everything. Just one skill will sail you through life. और अगर आप ये एक बात समझ गए तो आपको सक्सेसफुल होने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. If you understand just this, you will become unstoppable. Pick up that one skill. Base it on your passion, be yourself and pick up that one skill. You will be super successful. The next thing which is common amongst these people is that they invest in themselves and in their skills and they polish their skill till it shines and it makes them shine. Abraham Lincoln said that only the test of fire can produce fine steel. If you want to be a diamond, if you want to be steel, if you want to be gold, if you want to be on top of your game, you have to polish your skill and follow it to the dark and difficult places it will take you, because that is your test. And if you are successful in that test, you will definitely be on top of your game. And the final thing which is common amongst these people, which you should also do, is that use this skill to serve humanity. It's only when you use your skills to serve humanity, to serve other people, that your fire is rekindled and you get more and more motivated. So if you do these 5 things, I promise you, you will be super successful. Viktor Frankl said, everybody has a unique mission in life. Everyone has a specific task or assignment to be completed, wherein he or she cannot be replaced, neither their life can be repeated. So every task is unique, so is the opportunity to implement it. So my friends, if you want to be successful, just keep these things in mind. You are unique. You have to find your passion. Just one skill is sufficient for life. You have to polish this skill constantly, daily, every day, and you have to use this skill to serve humanity. And if you do that, I promise you, you will be successful at a super speed, and soon you may also be a celebrity. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, keep rocking, and keep polishing your skill. Thank you so much.